Welcome to the Luxury Homes. When billionaires travel, they don't use normal RVs. They use palaces on wheels. Today we'll look at the top 5 most luxurious motorhomes in the world, each one a masterpiece of design, comfort, and pure extravagance. Buckle up because these rolling mansions will blow your mind. Motorhome number 5, Ferrari Motorhome. Ferrari, a name that means speed, performance, and Italian passion. Now imagine all that DNA packed into a motorhome. On the outside, it looks like a Formula One car stretched into a futuristic RV. Sleek Ferrari red, aerodynamic curves, glowing LED strips. Step inside and you're instantly in a cockpit. The driver's cabin feels like piloting a Ferrari supercar. The seats, premium leather. The vibe, pure adrenaline. But Ferrari didn't forget luxury. This motorhome comes with a modern kitchen, a private washroom with shower, and yeah, a king-size bed. Add ambient smart lighting and an entertainment system, and it feels like living inside a Ferrari on wheels. This is the closest thing to turning a Formula One legacy into a rolling palace. Motorhome number 4, Bugatti Motorhome. When you hear Bugatti, you think ultra-luxury, extreme performance. Their motorhome concept, exactly that, but bigger and bolder. From the outside, you can't miss the iconic horseshoe grille. The curves are futuristic, sculpted like a million-dollar piece of art. Inside, it's like stepping into a billionaire's private jet. Gold accents, a panoramic glass roof, and a private lounge set the tone. There's a full-size luxury bedroom, a modern kitchen with marble counters, and of course, a spacious bathroom with rainfall shower. This is not just travel. This is Bugatti making sure the road feels like a runway. The Bugatti motorhome is less of a vehicle and more of a billionaire's private jet on the ground. Motorhome number 3, Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Rolls-Royce, the ultimate name in royal prestige. And their motorhome? A 5-star hotel on wheels. From the outside, it's smooth, elegant, commanding. But inside, that's where the magic begins. Handcrafted wooden panels, diamond-stitched leather, and yes, a champagne bar. The motorhome features a full modern kitchen, a luxury bathroom with marble shower and gold finishes, and a king-size bedroom suite that feels like royalty's private chamber. And of course, it rides with Rolls-Royce's famous whisper-quiet technology. If kings and queens lived in motorhomes, this would be their first choice. Motorhome number 2, Ford F-750 Luxury Motorhome. This one's for the adventurers. Built on the massive Ford F-750 truck base, this motorhome is both a beast and a beauty. The exterior screams power, rugged design, massive tires, off-road dominance. It's built for deserts, mountains, and anywhere billionaires want to explore. Inside, it's pure comfort. A full kitchen with modern appliances, a living room with home theater screen, a spacious bathroom with shower, and a cozy king-size bedroom. This motorhome doesn't just drive, it conquers. From sand dunes to snowy peaks, the Ford F-750 is luxury designed for extreme adventure. Think of it as a super yacht, but for the land. Motorhome number 1, Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. And finally, the crown jewel, the most expensive motorhome in the world, worth over $3 million. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a rolling, futuristic mansion. The exterior? It looks like a spaceship landed on Earth. Bold, aerodynamic, unlike anything else. Step inside and your jaw will drop. A sky lounge with rooftop deck. A luxury king-size master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. A lounge with widescreen TV and a full modern kitchen. Everything is controlled by smart home systems, lights, climate, entertainment, all at your fingertips. The bathroom comes with marble finishes, the bedroom with custom furniture, and the vibe? Billionaire paradise. For billionaires, this isn't transportation, it's a lifestyle. So, which one would you pick? The Ferrari's speed, Bugatti's ultra-luxury, Rolls-Royce's royal elegance, Ford's adventure beast, or the $3 million Marchi Mobile spaceship? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury on wheels.